For today's video, we're going to be naming sets. Now, this is kind of a follow-up to my identifying sets. But for this one, we're actually going to be looking at sets and then naming them specifically. So what is this set called? Now, looking all these here, you have three choices. Is it A, cars, B, bugs, or C, cones? That's right, it's cones. What is the name of this set here? Is it A, pizza, B, dice, or C, juice? That's right, it's dice. And what is this set called here? A, bugs, B, cats, or C, fish? That's right, they're bugs. What about this set? What is this called? A, colors, B, numbers, or C, letters? That's right, these are all numbers. And what about this set here? What are these called? A, shapes, B, cups, or C, cakes? That's right, these are all cakes. What about this set here? What are these called? A, planes, B, cars, or C, boats? That's right, those are planes there. What about this set here? What are these? A, numbers, B, shapes, or C, letters? That's right, these are shapes. So I just wanted to give you some other examples of different types of sets and what the names are for those sets. Okay, that'll do it for today's video. And as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day here with me. And I look forward to seeing you for my next video.